Dog. All they do is hang around the table, hoping someone will throw them some food. They're either scratching themselves or else they're doing something rude. You wake up in the morning to discover that your shoes been chewed. Well, you could tear your hair and cry, but they will only wonder why. You're a crazy kind of a guy, but they love you, dog. Dog. They can hear the bacon calling even if it's only falling to the floor. But at their master's voice they don't hear so good no more. You get to spend a lot of money and get a lot of practice opening the door, so they can track their muddy paws. And they don't obey no laws, and they're known to be the major cause of making more dogs. Dog, please, dog, they give them away for free. Dog, there's 100 ways to train them on the etiquette of right and wrong, but they will drag stuff in you have to handle with a pair of tongs. When company comes, they always want to stick their noses where they don't belong. You got dog hairs in your soup, and I for one won't stoop to jumping through their hoop. I'm talking about dog. Dog, the rule. Dog, they make the masters talk like a fool. Is you my precious little bundle of joy, poopsie whoopsie? Yes, you is. Dog.